Mansi, we've only been in the US 1 month and I've already spent so much money. But this new skincare kit looks amazing. Should I get it?
You could have if you didn't buy that $500 dress, my friend.
But I really need to get my act together. Any tips from you while I wait in line at the checkout counter?
In charge of your own money for the first time in a foreign country and don't know how to spend it wisely? I think I can help. In the next 1.5 minutes, I'm going to show you how you can budget your allowance to make sure you clearly know how and when you're spending and saving your money. Yes, saving. It's as important as spending, if not more. The ideal way of dividing your monthly budget comes from the 50-30-20 rule coined by Elizabeth Warren in her book, All Your Worth, the ultimate lifetime money plan. Now, what is the 50-30-20 rule? This basically means you need to divide your total monthly allowance into 3 proportions: 50%, 30%, and 20%. The 50% is for needs. This means 50% of your total monthly allowance should be spent on basic necessities like rent, food, groceries, transportation, and other things. The 30% is for all your wants. This includes your occasional takeouts, dinners, parties, clothes, movies, weekend getaways, and other things. All the things you like to spend your money on. And the final 20% is for savings and investment. Yes, this means every month you must save and invest at least 20% of your total monthly allowance. Trust me, this is a non-negotiable. This is the only way you can build better future prospects for yourself, which may include taking that trip to Europe. If you follow these rules, you will never have to call your friend again and ask for financial tips ever again.
Wait, was this video about me? Of course it wasn't. You're my best friend. But it was so helpful anyway. I'm sure it'll benefit whoever it was for. Okay, anyway, gotta go.
And remember, you can save on every transaction with the Neo Global card. 0% forex charges. This might help you save that all-important 20% of your monthly budget. That's it for today, until my friend calls me again for her next crisis. See you guys soon.